Let's get an update on the Senate this last session day before Congress adjourns. To recall, senators clashed last night over the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte. Dexter Ganibe joins us now from the Senate. Dexter, ano ang latest dyan?
After the high emotions last night during the deliberations of the Senate Impeachment Court, business as usual doon sa mga committee hearing rooms dahil may mga hearing na isinagawa ngayong araw. But sa mga tanggapan ng mga senators, lalo na for those who will be graduating on June 30, ay iba ang sitwasyon. It's pack-up time inside the office of outgoing Senator Cynthia Villar, one of the 18 senators who voted to remand the impeachment complaint back to the lower house. Villar and 17 other colleagues succeeded in their yes votes. But the people of Las Piñas said no when she ran as Las Piñas representative and lost. And she has roughly 19 days to vacate her office here at the Senate to make way for new senators part of the 20th Congress. New group of senators who will try or not the impeachment complaint. Villar and her groups voted to remand back to the lower house. The 20 staff of Villar are assured of work elsewhere, but clearly, it is not clearly as usual. Same with the complaint that divided her and old colleagues in the Senate. May bukod kay Senator Cynthia Villar, Senators Grace Poe, Nancy Binay, Ramon Bong Revilla, Senate Minority Leader Coco Pimentel, and Senate Majority Leader Francis Tolentino will have their terms until the 30th of June. And tanging sina Binay and Poe ang mga aalis sa Senado ngayong June 30 ang siyang bumoto ng no. May?
Okay, pack up na nga para sa iba at wala tayong magagawa. Let's all wait and see on June 30, 20th Congress na. Maraming salamat, Dexter Ganibe reporting live from the Senate.